Alright, so this is going to be a review of these 4 different types of cheap LEDs I got off the internet. 3 off eBay, 1 off another Chinese site called Banggood, with a discount. Anyway, so we'll start with the smallest. This one's definitely a pretty decent bang for your buck. Trying to get this area that I can view at. That is the limit. Okay, so this one's a pretty good bang for your buck. It looks like this, 650, 630 chips, and it's adjustable. Face it outwards, and at its highest it goes just a bit over 1 watt. You can actually adjust the brightness with it, which is useful for if you're camping or if you want your battery pack to last a long time. And yeah, it goes around 1 watt. It's pretty good little thing. It's facing the battery. You can see it go like facing the camera. You can see it go like that. Goes all the way up to that. Next, there is this one. This one is runs at how strong is it? 2 watts, I think. Yep. And the brightness itself isn't bad, actually. I mean, it's decent brightness, 2 watt for 2 watts, but it's just an atrocious color. It's not. It's probably, I would say, about 4,500 Kelvin, and it's yeah, just doesn't look good. It's not brown. It's not warm enough for it to be a warm white. It's not bright enough for it to be a clear white. It's just kind of this meh color. As you can see, I quite dislike this one. But as far as the brightness goes, it's not bad. This one is around less than $1. I think it was like 90 cents or something like that. This one was $1.10, I think. And then we have this one. This one was $1.10, 15, 10, 20, 30 cents, I forget. But it was rated, if you look up 5 volts, 5 watts, you'll get this one, I think. 5 volt, 5 watt lamp on eBay. And it's definitely the best bang for your buck. I wasn't actually expecting it to go run at 5 watts. If you have a thing that goes up to 6, it actually will go up to 6. Yeah, it really puts out a strong light. And I opened up a different one. It runs much stronger when you have this cap off. So what I did take the cap off was I think I pulled this up, put something thin here, and I just popped it off like that. And you can see here my battery bank. Just a moment. The difference when you've got it on here with that cap and when you've got no cap. Bam! Look at that. So much stronger. Just to show that it's the same thing here. I'll put it into here. I'll tray these around. So if you want a really strong light for a cheap price, this is the one to go with. You could even unscrew this part right here. And if you wanted to, you could. I'm going to do this. I'm going to unscrew it, take off this chip board. You can, if you cut out this stuff, you can take off the chip board and just use it like a light wherever you want to put it, and plug it in with the LED. It's got a flat plane. It's kind of hard to show, but it's kind of difficult. But yeah, you can take it out, and that's pretty cool about this one. Definitely the best bang for your buck you're going to find. Look at that, and you do like that. So now we've got this one. This one, I think on eBay it costs around $6, $7 ish when I looked at it, and I found it at a different site, and I got it discounted. And at discounted it was like $3.30, I think. And it has 14 of these really small chips with a translucent plastic over. These ones are actually bigger. These I think are 2835s is what they're called, these chips. These ones are smaller than these. And I got it because I wanted something that had this gooseneck, but it's really quite a weak light. It goes at 1 watts. On the thing's advertisement, it will say it runs at 2.8 watts. It doesn't. It runs at 1 watt, and it's quite a letdown. If you want just this not ambient, but like a little light, you want something with a gooseneck on it, yeah, temperature is decent, but the strength is crap. Look, it's probably about the same as this thing here. Take this off, yeah, look at that. This and this, basically the same thing, but it's about 3 times more expensive. So these are the 3 lights. Hope that was helpful to you.